Hello children, good morning. How are you? Today you are going to write your first midterm test in English, no? Now we are going to have a small revision session. Now we are going to revise according to your pattern list. So take your pattern and keep it with you, okay? Roman number 1, dictation words. Children, we have 5 dictation words. Among these 5, any 2 will come for your exam. You study all the 5 and write the correct dictation word. Okay. First one, battery, battery. Second one, intelligent, intelligent. Third one, strain, strain. Fourth one, refuse, refuse. Fifth one, pleasant, pleasant. Roman number 2, choose the correct option. Children, you have to choose the option and write in the dash. Okay. First one, Vicky wanted a dash to do all his work. Toy, friend or robot? Which one is the correct answer? Robot is the correct answer. Circle the answer and write in the dash. Okay. Second one, Vicky's father bought a dash robot. See the options. Lazy, trick, active. Which one is the correct answer? Trick is the correct answer. Circle the answer and write in the dash. Okay. Third one, Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. See the options. Keep, sell, price. Sell is the correct answer. Circle the answer and write in the dash. Okay. Fourth one, robot asked Vicky to sell him to an dash master. Option A, lazy, active, passive. Which one is the correct answer? Active is the correct answer. Circle the answer and write in the dash. Okay. Roman number 3, write true or false. Children, you have to read the statement and you have to write whether the statement is true or false. Okay. See the first one. Vicky pleaded his father to buy a robot. It's true. So you have to write the answer true here. Second one, Vicky was an active boy. This statement is false. So you have to write the answer false here. Okay. The robot did not obey his master. This statement is true. So you have to write the answer true here. Vicky's father decided to change his son's character. This statement is true. So you have to write the answer true here. Okay. Roman number 4, match the dialogue to the character. You have to match this dialogue with the character. Okay. I will do all the work myself. Who said this dialogue? The boy said this dialogue. So you have to match this dialogue with the boy. See the second dialogue. First you charge my battery. Who said this dialogue? This dialogue was said by the robot. So you have to match this dialogue with the robot. Okay. See the third dialogue. I have bought you a robot. Do you know who said this dialogue? This dialogue was said by the father. So you have to match this dialogue with the father. Okay.
Roman number 5, name the character or speaker. In this exercise, you have to write the name of the character or speaker in the given space. Okay.
See the first dialogue. The robot will do all your work. Who said this dialogue? Father said this dialogue. So you have to write the answer father here. Okay. See the second question. Why don't you do that yourself? Who said this dialogue? Robot said this dialogue. So you have to write the answer robot here. See the third dialogue. You want me to strain my back. Who said this dialogue? This dialogue was also said by the robot, so you have to write the answer robot here. See the fourth dialogue. Play me a pleasant song. Who said this dialogue? This dialogue was said by the boy Vicky. So you have to write the answer Vicky here. Okay. Then Roman number 6. Choose the correct synonyms. Children, for synonyms you have options in the question paper.
Choose the correct synonym and write in the given space. First one, plead. Plead means request.
Second one, refuse. Refuse means disagree. Third one, pleasant. Pleasant means happy. Then Roman number 7, write the antonyms. First one, active. Active opposite lazy. L-A-Z-Y, lazy. Second one, master. Master opposite servant. S-E-R-V-A-N-T, servant. Third one, believe. Opposite for believe, disbelieve. D-I-S-B-E-L-I-E-V-E, disbelieve. Roman number 8. Answer the following. See the first question. What kind of a boy was Vicky? Answer. Vicky was a lazy boy. Second question. Who asked the robot to charge the phone? See the answer. Vicky asked the robot to charge the phone. Okay. Third question. Whom did Vicky want to do all his work? Vicky wanted the robot to do all his work. Fourth question. How did Vicky change at the end? Answer. Vicky changed at the end due to the robot's refusal to work for lazy people like Vicky. Fifth question. What did you learn from this lesson? Answer. I learned that we have to do our work by ourselves. Roman number 9. Write the plural form. First one, cat, cats. Second one, watch, watches. Third one, dish, dishes. Fourth one, cherry, cherries. Children, take your home test note, take a fresh page and write our school name, Charan Metric Higher Secondary School, Venaimalai, Karur 6. Then write first midterm test 2020-21 and then write the subject English. In this corner, write the name. Then standard here, put today's date 18/08/2020. Okay. Then leave a line. Roman number 1, dictation words. For dictation words, your teacher will send you a voice message. Hear the message and write the words here. Okay. Leave a line. Then write the Roman number 2. Except dictation words, for all the remaining Romans you have to write question with the answer. So put Roman number 2, choose the correct option. Number 1, Vicky wanted a dash to do all his work. Choose the correct option and write in the dash. Complete all the 3 questions and then leave your line, go to the next Roman. Roman number 3, write true or false. Children, you have to use black ink for writing the question, blue ink for writing the answer. Okay.
First one, Vicky was an active boy. Write the answer, complete the 2 questions and answer, leave a line and then go to the next Roman.
Roman number 4, match the dialogue to the character. Draw a line and match the question with the answer. Okay. First one, I will do all the work myself. See the options and then match. Vicky said this dialogue, so you have to match this dialogue with the character Vicky. Okay, like this complete all the 3 questions and then go to the next Roman. Roman number 5, name the character or speaker. First one, play me a pleasant song. Like this you have to write and then write the answer like this. Okay, Vicky. Complete all the 3 questions and then go to the next Roman. Roman number 6. Choose the correct synonyms. Children, for synonyms you have options in the question paper itself. See the options and then write the answer. Okay. For example, first one, plead, request. Okay. Complete all the 3 synonyms. Leave a line and then go to the next Roman. Roman number 7, write the antonyms. First one, active, opposite, lazy. Like this you have to complete all the 3 and then go to the next Roman. Roman number 8, answer the following.
Leave a line and write the first question.
What kind of a boy was Vicky? Leave a line and then write the answer. Vicky was a lazy boy. Like this you have to write 2 questions. Okay. Then Roman number 9, write the plural forms. Children, first you have to write the singular form and then you have to write the plural form. Cat, cats. Like this you have to answer for 4 questions. Children, இதுவரைக்கும் நான் உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாமில் நீங்கள் எப்படி ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணணும், அதாவது எக்ஸாமை எப்படி எழுதி காட்டணும் அப்படிங்கிறத வந்து மிஸ்ஸு சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இதே மாதிரி நீட்டாக அழகாக எந்த ஸ்கிரிப்லிங்கும் இல்லாமல் எப்படி டெஸ்ட் எழுதுவீங்களோ அதே மாதிரி ஜென்யூனாக எழுதி ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து உங்கள் மிஸ்ஸுக்கு அனுப்பணும். ஓகேங்களா? Thank you, Kutties. All the best. Do your exam well.